A 72-inch prop in terms of static thrust compared to a 60-inch prop, you're looking at 350 pounds for the 1.6 to 1 redrive versus 200 pounds for a direct drive motor. So all the components in this engine are 100% new. The engine case, the pistons and cylinders, the cylinder head, the valve train, everything in it is 100% new. And that's one of the great strengths the VW motor has to offer, because there's such a large aftermarket parts base for the motor.
My name is Pete Crotty, and I'm Chief Manager of Jabiru USA Sport Aircraft. We're the largest distributor of Jabiru aircraft and engines in the world, and today I want to talk about the Jabiru aircraft engine. Okay, the heart of the Jabiru ignition system is this magneto module that is produced by Honda, and it powers each distributor independently. It's a true magneto. It does not require any outside electrical power. It's not a capacitor discharge or CDI ignition. It is a true magneto. One of the main advantages of Jabiru engines over some of our competitors is that we are air-cooled and we're direct drive. That makes our engines a lot less complex and a lot lighter than most of the competitors. Direct drive, we eliminate all the problems and issues with gearboxes and gears and bearings and clutches going bad in gearboxes. And being air-cooled, we eliminate water radiators, water pumps, and just a lot of other hoses and systems that add weight, complexity, and really don't give you anything additional for performance.
So I'm Jerron Smith with Raven Redrives. We've been in business the last 11 years doing nothing but converting the Suzuki line of auto engines for home-built aircraft. Typically, these engines will go 150 to 175,000 miles without any servicing. Change the timing belt, oil, spark plugs. So we can't say enough good stuff about Suzuki. They are 2/3 of the equation of a successful auto engine conversion. They developed the engine. It's been proven with trillions of miles worldwide. It has been in production 15 years with no changes. It's bulletproof. They did the engine, the ignition system, and the injection system, all of which Raven recycles. We developed the drive system that makes it all work, developed the mounts that fit the different applications, and so really 2/3 of this equation is the result of Suzuki's great engineering.
Hi, I'm Mike Templeman. I own Stratus Incorporated. Purpose of our business is to provide experimental aircraft alternatives to the Rotax and the higher priced engines. A unison between them to make sure they're synchronized, and then I'll set the timing. So here goes. I hit the ignition, make sure the fuel pump's working. Once the engine's warmed up, I'll go through a little bit of throttle acceleration. I'll shut it down and then start it after it's warm. let it cool down and start it again. And we get lots of people calling and asking what the options are with the Stratus engine. First of all, I sell the complete running engine, test run on a bench, carburetor synchronized, the timing set, and then I'll drain the fluids and